This is the HPI Savage, a legendary monster truck that took the radio control world by storm when it was first released back in 2002 by Hobby Products International, also known as HPI. This 1/8 scale beast quickly gained a massive following among hobbyists worldwide thanks to its exceptional bashing capabilities and impressive features. One of the Savage's standout features is its unique chassis design, which consists of twin vertical aluminum plates that provide incredible strength and durability, allowing the truck to withstand even the toughest terrains. The Savage also boasts 8 oil-filled coilover shocks, 4-wheel drive, and the Savage 21 featured a powerhouse 21 cubic inch engine known as the 21BB. This engine delivered exceptional speed and acceleration, making the Savage 21 a force to be reckoned with. After much success of the Savage 21, HPI Racing quickly introduced the Savage Super Sport Kit, also known as the SS version. And this is the newest HPI Savage, the Savage XL Flux V2. Released in 2022 with limited availability, the latest iteration of this legendary monster truck takes the Savage legacy to new heights. With a colossal size and an extra-long wheelbase, this electric powerhouse delivers dirt-spitting power at the touch of the throttle, along with tire-shredding, terrain-destroying capabilities that will make you run for cover. In keeping with its heritage, this Savage retains the twin vertical plate chassis design, but it introduces a new extra-large, low center of gravity design. The Savage is still available in Nitro, but this being the electric version features a twin-clamp engine motor mount and replaces the typical Nitro components with a twin-layout battery box and a potent Flux 2200 kV motor setup. This Savage boasts an evolved suspension system, replacing the original 8 shocks with 4 big bore shocks that provide even better handling and control. It rides on all new Havoc wheels with 17mm hexes for added stability. Additionally, it's equipped with an ultra-tough center skid plate and captured hinge pins, ensuring that this monster truck is built to withstand the most demanding terrains and the most aggressive bashing. From its legendary beginnings to the newest cutting-edge Savage XL Flux V2, if you're as thrilled as we are about this iconic monster truck's latest iteration, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because we're about to unleash the full potential of this new truck and take your RC experience to a whole new level.